Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina and today's video about how to paint furniture with water-based interior paint. After preparing my piece, I start with Zinsser Cover Stain Oil-Based Primer to prevent any leaking. I do recommend that you use a cheap brush so you can just throw it away. You don't have to clean it because cleaning oil-based primer or paint is really hard. Here I sat painting my piece with Almost Charcoal water-based paint by Valspar. I got it from Lowe's for about 30 bucks, I think, for a gallon, which is really cheap if you want to compare it to a chalk paint products or other paint products, like milk, chalk, acrylic paint. I liked working with Valspar water-based paint. It's very smooth, it will stick to your piece. I don't think it will peel because I've already painted pieces before with it and I never had any complaints from my customers. It will stick, especially if you paint your piece with a primer first, then you use the water-based paint. It will definitely stick. It will not peel and it's very smooth. Plus, it will really dry fast. Like, I was painting this door and my other piece that I already started with before the dresser, which is a nightstand, it was dry and I really like that. After painting the dresser with one coat, I sealed it with polyacrylic and it's water-based. The total cost for this project was $85. That includes everything. The pieces, the paint, the primer, the top coat, the stain. I used everything I have leftovers, like from previous projects, to save more money. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.